Hi, today we want to show you how to mount our snapbags on the ARRI Orbiter. Therefore, you have to bring it in this position. And remove the cap. You just unpack your snapbag and you're using the rabbit rounder by just pulling the arms up. As easy like that. Now we attach the snapbag onto the orbiter, therefore we look for the long nose that we have here. There are two short noses. We have the long nose here. And now you rotate as long till you get the click. Now you're ready, and as you can see, the softbox you can rotate, so that gives you the possibility to bring it in the direction where you want it. And we have a very even front screen. On the bigger units we are using an internal 3D bezel, and if you want to have a more directional light, you can use also our snap grads. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.